Okay, so I'm noticing some interesting features on this Dayton portable typewriter. One, of course, is the Dayton logo, which is embossed here on the platen knob. But the other interesting thing about the platen knob is that it can be extended by about an inch. And you can kind of see it there, and you just push in. I'm not really sure why it would be designed this way. I was thinking maybe to accommodate a larger size paper, but the platen doesn't extend, so I'm not really sure how that works. And then on the other side, I'll move the camera here, that's a fixed width right here. This can't be adjusted on this side. And so anyway, oops, there we go. It's an interesting feature that this can be packed away or extended. Another interesting feature is how you adjust the tabs on the back of the machine. And this actually I find to be pretty ingenious. In fact, let's move the camera. So there's for the setting of the tabs. And on a lot of typewriters you have to press or push up. This one, you push down, you can easily adjust, and then I'm not sure if it's supposed to snap out by itself, but I have to pull it. And you can adjust the now, see, I'm stuck there, but as you can see, you can freely move the tabulator right there, and I'll just pull out. Now it's in a fixed position. And the same thing is on the other side. So, sort of two really interesting things that I've noticed about the Dayton portable typewriter. It is a rather inexpensive machine, or it was in its day, and it's a rare machine today. Some other things in terms of attention to quality. One other thing that strikes me is that there is sort of a felt lining on the inside of the typewriter. And again, we'll kind of zoom in here. There's this, oops, not too far. Back out a little bit, give it a chance to focus. There's a felt lining in here, and of course that dampens some of the typing noise. So there was some thought given to that. It's actually a lot of thought given to the design of this typewriter. The kind of thought that suggests they were trying to improve it, not merely produce a budget machine, but that they were even attempting to improve upon the typewriter. Unfortunately for the Dayton Portable Typewriter Company, they did not succeed. And so these are very rare. There's only about 7 or 8 of these known to be circulating. Pretty good typer, except mine. On mine, the platen is very aged. It's cracked and it's hard, and it's not a good typing surface, so I've limited my use of this typewriter until I consider what to do with the platen. But anyway, this is Mark Adams at typewriter.org.